Thank you, Sneha, once again, and congratulations.
Thank you,
Sneha,
Karan sir.
congratulations for
Thank
a
you,
double
sir.
whammy victory.
Absolutely, thank you. They say you win your awards, you earn your awards actually at the practice. You just pick them up at award ceremonies. It'll be highly ungrateful of me if I do not thank the Gujarati Rangbhumi, the Gujarati Kalakar Kasbis, the Gujarati stage from where I have had my talim, my riyaz, ગુજરાતી ભાષા, ગુજરાતી સાહિત્યના આંગણે મેં રિયાઝ કર્યું છે અને આ અવોર્ડ ગુજરાત ખાતે લેતા ખૂબ આનંદ થઈ રહ્યો છે. લાપતા ladies, it's plural. It's only poetic that I take 2 ladies home tonight. Thank you so much.
Well done, Sneha.
Wonderful.